Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Drew and once again watching To the Theme Park Dude. Today's video I share breaking news that Muppet Vision 3D and Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith are both permanently closing at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Before I begin, it would mean a lot if you could hit that subscribe button as well as the like button to support the channel. Now, off to the video. Walt Disney World has just confirmed that Muppet Vision 3D and Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith are both permanently closing in the future to make way for new theme park experiences. Now, at D23 Expo this past summer, it was announced that Monsters Inc. Land will be coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios, and that raised the question, where will this be going? A lot of people pointed to the animation courtyard section of the park, and a lot of people pointed to Muppet Vision, like I did. Now, it just kind of made sense logistically for them to go for Muppet Vision just because of where it's located in the park next to Galaxy's Edge, and there's a lot of offices and backstage stuff in Animation Courtyard, as well as a brand new show they're putting in, so it wouldn't really make sense to demolish all of that, especially a brand new show that they're about to open up later this year, just so they can put a new land there anyways. Now, Disney did say they are looking at ways so they can preserve the film for fans. If that means maybe putting it on Disney Plus or doing some type of other experience, that is unannounced, but we'll see in the future. Now, Muppet Vision 3D was a fan favorite, I will say. I personally never found it too enjoyable. I mean, I enjoyed it as I got older and could appreciate the characters more, but it was always half empty, never a packed theater. The whole area was pretty wasted. The shop in the back was huge and was rarely used. The Italian restaurant was good, but it was also in the back corner and was always half full. Pizzerizza was okay. Just as a whole, the whole Muppet area was definitely, I thought, expansion for Galaxy's Edge. They did confirm a new show will be coming to replace the theater. So we already know the Vekoma family suspended coaster will be coming to Monsters Inc. Land as the main e-ticket, but that will be actually located in the back of where Muppet is currently, and there's an expansion pad for some expansion space up north of that property. So looking at Muppet Vision 3D, we have the big theater. Now there will be a new show, they said. Is this going to be some version of Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor? That's probably my best guess, and I think they're going to relocate it from Magic Kingdom, and they'll maybe add some updates to it, some tweaks to it, and that will be the all-new show. Now, Monsters Inc. Land as a whole is definitely something that I'm looking forward to experiencing, and they never announced officially when it will be opening. My best guess is 2028, which is still 4 years away. But, hopefully they can start construction next year. And Disney did say you will have time to get your final rides in on Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith, which we'll get to in a second, as well as experiencing Muppet Vision 3D. I do hope in some way that they can use some of the stuff from Muppet Vision 3D into the new Rock and Roller Coaster replacement, because they did confirm the Muppets will be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster. Now, it has been a rumor for a while that Electric Mayhem, which is the band with Animal, Dr. Teeth, and a few of the other characters from Electric Mayhem, will be coming to Hollywood Studios for Rock and Roller Coaster. It is kind of interesting to me to theme the most intense ride at your resort to the Muppets. Now, I'm not, obviously I'm still excited for it, and I'll be there opening day, hopefully, and I cannot wait to experience it, but I do think it's kind of weird to theme this to the Muppets, especially when we're going to have the Disney Villains show that's taking over Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy in the back, which could potentially be Muppet Vision 3D after the Disney Villains Land opens at Magic Kingdom. As we know, that show is kind of like a test to see how guests perceive the Disney villains in the park, especially in the back of the park. So maybe that becomes Muppet Vision 3D in the future. But if they can bring Muppet Courtyard kind of back, which I'm assuming they're going to do that, they're going to kind of transform that whole rock area to the left of Tower of Terror, where Aerosmith is currently. They're kind of going to transform that to the Muppets and kind of bring some stuff over that they already have in Muppet Courtyard. I'm assuming that's what they're going to do, which I'm 100% okay with. I think it's going to be pretty cool. But before I continue, just so you guys know my voice, I am kind of suffering from like a little cold right now, so I'm trying to get this video out though, as Disney just announced this about an hour ago. So stay with me. If you need any clarification on anything, comment down below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. But going back to it, overall, huge changes coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios, and I really do think these are for the better. Overall, I'm super excited about Monsters Inc. I think getting a coaster and a new show and a whole new themed land right back in Muppet Vision, so you're going to have basically three huge immersive lands back to back to back with Star Wars sandwiched in between Toy Story and Monsters Inc. That's going to be awesome back there. I really do think Muppet Vision 3D's time is up. Obviously, like I said, I appreciate the history of the show, just wasn't the best thing for me, but I can understand why some families liked it, and that's why they're doing a new Monsters Inc. show that's going to be there. But then with Aerosmith, I think that's going to be an interesting retheme. I'm curious to see where they go with it and to see what songs they play, like a rock and roll remix of Rainbow Connection, maybe. I think that would be kind of cool. So who knows? We'll see. I'm looking forward to this. Comment down below if you are looking forward to the huge changes coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios in the future. Now, make sure you're subscribed or follow my X page, Instagram, as I'll be doing updates on these projects as more info is revealed. Comment down below if you're excited for these new projects coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Thanks again for watching and have a great rest of your day, everyone. See ya. Bye.